So what do we have here? Ford, what was you thinking about? Only one ground wire. Sorry for blinding you guys. It's your boy Mustang Muscle 5.0 coming back with another video. This is a Mustang vlog. Yes, as you can see by the title, heating and cool seats. Come to find out, my pigtail was burned out. And so we're finna get ready to replace it. Me and Tim, aka R2, part of Mustang crew. There he is, the man with the plan. But we want to start off safe. So how we're going to do that? We're going to disconnect the battery, as you can see. So we taking the hot off and the negative. So we're going to make everything right. Let me turn this bright light off. So once we pull the seat, we're going to go step by step. Okay, so by the way, I just want you guys to see the part number. This is the part number for the 15 through, I would say, 21. You got a 12 connector, you have a 10 connector, and an 8 connector. We use the 12 connector right here. The whole kit is complete, come with shrink wrap, heat shrink I meant, and connecting cables to connect. And you know, if you want to solder and all that kind of stuff, we're not going to be doing all that soldering and stuff. We're going to make it simple and easy. But yeah, man, we're going to go on and do this. We're going to get this done. Probably take, well, not really take the seat out, but lift it up so it'll be much easier to get to. And I'll get back at it once we get everything going. All right, so in the kit, we got these butt connectors that's, you know, as you can see, they suck. So we went and got some top-notch heavy duty with the shrink, the heat shrink on top of it. So all we have to do is stick the wires in, cramp it in the middle, and then heat shrink. And then, you know, just for shits and giggles, we can still put the heat shrink tubing right here that comes in the kit, just so it'll be all matching color if we want to, you know, something like that. So I'm gonna go on and get started. You can see the material we're working with. Got the battery disconnected so we could be safe. Now got the police flashlight. You like that, huh? Yeah, that's just so we can see everything clearly and get this thing going. All right, so starting with the rear first, you gotta pop out the little plastic pieces. It's torque bit screw, so it's the 250, right? Torque bit, huh? A T50 torque bit. We're gonna unbolt the back. We're gonna unbolt the back, get that out the way. Then we're gonna power up the car, and then we're gonna slide the seat back, and then we're gonna get the other two bolts out. Lift the seat up and get it done. Whew, all on my knees. All right, so we're going ahead and we attaching the end clips and the heat shrink, as you can see right here. Making sure it's all the way in there. And then we're gonna clamp it. Get it in there right at the end. Yeah, we almost about done, so you know.
It's not coming back out.
That's one. Yeah, so we're gonna get back with you guys. Come here right quick, so y'all can see what we're doing. Yeah, you got it? All right, so we got one. That's this one. That's the ground, where the bad ground. This one looks like it's about the same, but this one has 2 grounds. So this ground wire will go to these 2. So everything should be good. And we're just gonna clip them one at a time. And we're gonna put it together, man. Shouldn't be too hard.
Mustang muscle. R2D2.
Did you read the GoPro?
Can you see the goats? While the guys
Here, turn the
are
lights
playing
on.
with the car,
Oh, fun.
we got goats.
Is that dead? Turn that on. Wrong one. Is it dead?
The goats. Man.
No. Can you grab it? Grab it and take it outside.
We got
That's
goats.
Lucy.
Hi, Lucy.
Let's get them in their house before they run off. Grab her before she runs off. I got her.
And now we got chickens. We're gonna collect some eggs.
Hi, who's this? This is Esmeralda.
Hi, cutie.
Do you have Amidala?
We got chickens and they're going to their home.
Oh, go to bed.
While the boys play, the girls collect eggs.
Eggs.
Can't get any fresher than that.
Mom, she's hugging me.
Basura.
Yep. There's one. Yeah. I had to take the unravel this a little bit.
Oh no, it's
No, it didn't die.
It came with the flash.
Yeah. That should be good, huh?
As long as it comes down on it, we're fine.
I hope y'all getting a good read.
Huh? Yeah, blue.
Really good, sir. Now,
This is what we've been working on. Oh, they've been working on.
so you just start applying heat and they'll go all shrink.
You gotta push now.
The moment of truth. Ooh.
There you go. I guess I gotta start the car. Yeah. Well,
AC came on.
the AC came on, but the heated and cool ain't came on.
Okay.
There you go. Yeah, I had to bring the car.
For my butt to get warm. Moment of truth. Does your hard work pay off or not?
Sound like I kind of hear it.
I think I'm heating
I feel it. Yeah.
Alright, shut it off because we're not done.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that guy heating up.
up. This is a little dance for me.
Well, guys, y'all complete. It was a success. You know, I got all kind of, yeah, that's even better there. It was a success, man. You know what I'm saying? It took a lot of sweat, being in a cramped space.
Teamwork.
And yeah, I couldn't have done it without Tim, R2. You gonna have to turn so you can get a little bit of him right there. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, that's all I have to do to touch.
Yeah, that's all you had to do was touch. You know what I'm saying? everything touchscreen, everything, you know, 4K shit, man.
Not done yet.
Yeah, we
Still got the tape to do.
yeah, but you know what I'm saying. I already
working.
look at it
Job well done.
as it's a job well done, you know. So Mustang Muscle gonna conclude this video, man. Like I say, if you like this kind of content, you know how to fix it now. Like, share, subscribe. Mustang Muscle out. Peace.